warning. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Whiteside County, southeastern Carroll County, until 2 p.m. At 1:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Milledgeville, or 8 miles north of Sterling, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Whiteside and southeastern Carroll counties, including the following locations: Penrose. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following county: Whiteside, Illinois,